And of course, there's no point putting all this effort into a lovely engine like this without putting a bit of bling on it. So
bling bling.
I picked up these covers for both of us earlier in this year in my trip to the States, and yeah, bit of bling bling for the engine. So yeah, seconds away from having this all put back together and finished. So yeah, let's get these time and chain covers on, the sump on, rod cover, and let's finish this engine build. Ta-da! So, long time in the making, but still need to give it a bit of a freshen up here.
Are you gonna do that? I'm just gonna leave it alone.
Yeah, I want to paint it so it looks nice. We did have it all vapor blasted, but
Yeah.
obviously vapor blasted takes a lot of time, and I don't have a lot of patience. So we're gonna paint this up. Obviously, we're not going to paint the new billet stuff, but yeah,